Welcome to the world of milk-based espresso beverages with the Wizard Steamer. Your Wizard Steamer embodies the handcrafted nature of manual espresso, bringing the ability to steam milk directly to your stovetop, no electricity needed. First, let's take a look at the components of the Wizard Steamer. The Wizard Steamer features a cool touch wand with two nozzle options. A one-hole nozzle that is good for latte art beginners as it produces lower steam power and volume. And a three-hole nozzle that is for a more advanced experience. It produces higher steam power and volume. A variable steam valve to release steam through the wand, open all the way, or just slightly to modify the steam volume. A locking steamer lid with a steam pressure gauge to monitor the level of pressure inside the steamer and indicate when it is ready to steam your milk. An automatic pressure valve. This valve will automatically open and release pressure when excess pressure is built up inside the steamer body. A removable walnut handle for handling the steamer safely, and a steamer body with minimum and maximum fill levels on the inside wall. Upon opening the package, the Wizard Steamer will require some light assembly. First, screw your walnut handle into the mounting arm on the side of your steamer and hand tighten only. Next, screw the wand onto the body of the steamer, making sure no threads are visible. Ensure the plastic O-ring is nested into the base of the wand for correct attachment. Lastly, select your preferred nozzle and screw into the end of the wand. Safety is very important when using the Wizard Steamer. When over a heat source, the contents of the steamer will be extremely hot and pressurized. It can also take a while for the steamer to cool down after use. Prior to use, please review the full list of safety instructions listed in the instruction manual. But overall, here are the most important tips. Always use the handle of your steamer when removing from heat or anywhere. Make sure your steamer is cool, has been purged, and reads no pressure before opening. Don't leave the steamer unattended while over heat at any time. Now for your first steam. Ensure your steamer is cool. Never open or fill your steamer if it is hot or the gauge reads any pressure. Turn the steamer lid a quarter turn counterclockwise from the lock symbol to the unlock symbol. Remove the lid and fill with water to the midline on the inside wall. Be careful not to fill past the max level line. Place the steamer lid back onto the jug and turn a 1/4 turn clockwise to lock into position. Your wand will swivel up to 270 degrees. Choose your preferred wand position prior to heating. Place the steamer over a heat source. The steamer was designed to be used over gas, electric coil, glass top, and induction. Monitor the pressure gauge using the gauge on the steamer lid. When the gauge needle is in steaming range, the steamer is ready. Fill your milk jug to about 50% with cold milk. Do not fill the jug more than 50% to leave room for the milk to expand. Before steaming, purge your steam wand by opening the steam valve 1/4 turn counterclockwise, then close. When you insert your steam wand into the milk jug, the wand should slide in and rest in the spout of the jug. Make sure the seam on your spout is just visible. Placing it deeper won't help with steaming. Now, tilt your jug 15 degrees either left or right. The first stage of steaming milk is meant to blow bubbles or air into your milk. Make sure only the tip of the nozzle is submerged and open the steam valve. When you open the steam valve, you should hear a sound like rushing air. As you blow air into your milk, the volume of your milk will increase. Once you've added enough volume, you enter the second stage of milk steaming, called whisking. To whisk, raise your jug so the seam of the nozzle is barely visible. This should create a whirlpool motion inside the jug as you incorporate the bubbles into the milk. You should steam your milk no hotter than 60 degrees Celsius, as this will cook the milk. If you don't have a thermometer, you can hold the metal sides of your jug. When it's uncomfortable to hold, you've reached about 55 degrees Celsius. Another 5 seconds will be enough to reach 60 degrees Celsius. When your milk is steamed, close your steam valve, then remove the wand and set your jug aside. Remove the steamer from the heat source, purge your steam valve again, and then immediately wipe clean with a wet cloth. Before pouring your steamed milk, you should tap your milk jug on the counter to break any large unwanted bubbles and swirl your milk until it appears glossy. Now you're ready to pour your latte art. Once you've gotten the hang of steaming milk, please check out our latte art class with latte art champion Emily Bryant. The link is in the description. Your Wizard Steamer comes with an automatic pressure valve. This valve will activate automatically to release excess pressure in the system. The valve will reset automatically when the pressure has normalized, but you can also push the valve button to reset it. Alternatively, you can use this pressure valve manually to release pressure. Flip out to open and push back into place to close. If your automatic pressure valve releases, it is best to remove your Wizard Steamer from the heat immediately. To fully depressurize, open the steam valve and the pressure valve manually to release all pressure. Once the unit is depressurized, manually close the steam and pressure valves. And remember, do not open the unit to refill or clean until it has been completely cooled and depressurized. We hope you enjoy the Wizard Steamer. Remember to check out our latte art class with latte art champion Emily Bryant. The link is in the description. And remember, we're here to support your espresso journey. If you encounter any questions or challenges, please reach out to our customer service team.